The world of artificial intelligence is advancing at lightning speed, and two standout players in the conversational AI space are DeepSeek and ChatGPT. Each platform brings its own unique strengths and specialties, catering to different needs and applications. Let's break down the key differences between these two AI powerhouses to help you understand which one might be the right fit for you. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, has become a household name for its versatility in conversational AI. Built on GPT, generative pre-trained transformer architecture, it uses both GPT 3.5 and GPT 4 models to deliver human-like responses across a wide range of topics. Whether you're brainstorming ideas, writing content, or just having a chat, ChatGPT is designed to handle it all with ease. On the other hand, DeepSeek, created by DeepSeek Artificial Intelligence Co. Limited, takes a more specialized approach. It's tailored for enterprise use, excelling at handling complex queries and deep data analysis. Industries like finance, healthcare, and logistics benefit from its ability to dive into intricate data sets and extract meaningful insights. Here are some key differences between DeepSeek and ChatGPT. DeepSeek is all about research and precision. It's built to tackle complex data analysis and extract detailed information, making it a go-to tool for businesses that need deep, actionable insights. ChatGPT, meanwhile, shines in its versatility. It's perfect for general conversations, creative writing, and brainstorming. Whether you're drafting an email, generating ideas, or just having a casual chat, ChatGPT's broad knowledge base and conversational tone make it incredibly user-friendly. DeepSeek leans towards a more technical and analytical interaction style. It's designed to provide structured, data-driven responses, which is ideal for professionals who need precise information. ChatGPT, in contrast, feels more like talking to a friend. Its conversational tone makes it accessible for everyone, while still being capable of handling professional tasks. DeepSeek is a powerhouse when it comes to processing niche information from large data sets. It's particularly useful for specialized research and industries that rely on data-heavy decision-making. ChatGPT, on the other hand, thrives on its ability to engage in dynamic, wide-ranging conversations. It draws from a vast pool of general knowledge to provide context-aware answers, making it a great all-rounder. Both platforms excel in their respective areas. ChatGPT is a master at generating natural, human-like text and managing open-ended conversations, though it may occasionally need fact-checking for accuracy. DeepSeek, with its focus on specialized domains, delivers highly accurate and relevant responses, especially when dealing with structured data. Its integration with enterprise systems makes it a reliable choice for professional applications. Now, which one to choose? DeepSeek is the better choice for research-heavy tasks, data analysis, and enterprise applications. If you need precise, data-driven answers, DeepSeek is your go-to. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is ideal for general-purpose use, for creative projects and everyday conversations. Its adaptability and user-friendly nature make it a great fit for a wide range of users. In the end, both platforms are impressive in their own right, and the best choice depends on what you're looking to achieve.